market-based demand curve. Okay? Now, on the supply side, well, that's going to depend, and that's traditional occupational supply. So if you have a theory of a supply of people to an occupation, or hours to an occupation, the theory would go like, well, as you change the wage of the people in that occupation, you have a couple of effects. One is people in the occupation may work longer or shorter hours. And two, you attract in or out different individuals. So the intensive versus the extensive margin. Right? And for many problems, it's the extensive margin that's the dominant factor. Not so much the hours of work change per worker, but a number of workers who are attracted into the occupation. Okay. So a lot of occupation probably neglect the intensive margin, can get dominated by the extensive, but both in general are operating. And we would say, so now we have to look at the extensive margin. And therefore we have to ask ourselves, how many people want to enter this, go to college at different wage differentials, at different college premiums, okay? Now we'll come back to our formulation. We had formulation, and where let me rewrite this formulation. It looks like a slightly different way. Formulation we had was simple case, but I'm doing it a little differently.